Hello friends, today's our topic is concept of crime. It is the first chapter of LLB second semester. Today we'll learn crime and its meaning as a definition and nature of the crime. Meaning, there is two wrongs. One is commission of the act, another is the omission of the act. Wrong is of the two types, commission of the act and omission of the act. What is the commission of the act? Commission of the act is the killing the person by knife, by giving the poison, or a negligence in the surgical operation. That is the commission of the act. At the same time, both of the wrongs, that is omission of the act. Omission of the act is the killing the person by not giving the food, at the same time not giving the medicines. At the one end, it is the act by giving or doing something, and another omission of the act is by doing nothing. We are doing the crime. So the wrong is of the two types, commission of the act and omission of the act, which is forbidden or prohibited by the law. Then the wrong is of the two types. One wrong is the private wrong, and for the private wrong there is a civil liabilities and civil wrong. And another one is the public wrong, and it is also called a crime. It is the offense against the whole state. It is the offense against the public as a whole community or the public. So it is of the two types, private wrongs and public wrong. Punitive action is against public wrong. It is the crime against the whole state. Now the definitions. Definition of the crime. A Blackstone definition, as you know everybody, that crime is not any specific definition. However, many attempts were made to define the terms crime. One Blackstone definition, Sir William Blackstone, in his commentaries on the law of England, defined crime as the act committed or omitted in the violation of public law forbidding or commanding it. This is a definition of Blackstone. So we again repeat the same Blackstone definition, that is the commentaries on the law of England, that act committed or omitted in the violation of the public law forbidden by the authorities or prohibited or commanded by the authorities. Another definitions had been given by the Sir James Stephen. Crime is the act which both forbidden by the law and revolting to the moral sentiments of the societies. Means crime is not only forbidden by the law, but it's also revolt the moral sentiments of the society. And Kenny is also giving the definition of the crime, that is the sanction is punitive and in no way remissible by the private person, but is remissible by the crown. And now we are coming to the Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code giving the definition by the not as such on the crime, but in the Indian, as per the section 40 of Indian Penal Code, it had been given a name as an offense. Offense is an act punishable by the code. So the crime has a definition, that is the commission of an act or omission of the act. Commission of the act is the killing the person with a knife, or giving the poison, or administering the poison, or the omission of the act is that killing by not giving the food or not giving the medicine. So there are all the acts and omission described in the offences under the penal code are crime and punishable under the code. Crime is the public wrong in the sense, and any members of the public can institute a criminal proceeding against the person accused of the offense. However, there are certain exceptional cases that is matrimonial crimes, dowry cases, defamation, in respect of which the person concerned alone can institute the criminal proceeding. Nature of the crime. Now we are coming to the nature of the crime. Crime is an act or omission which is forbidden or prohibited by the law. In somewhere there is a crime, as adultery is a crime under section IPC 497, which is now abrogated, but it is not crime in the England, as the consumption of alcoholic drink is an offence at the some state, while as in the some state it has been allowed to this whole citizen. And that is just like that, practicing of sati is prevailing in the primitive society, is now strictly prohibited and punishable. So with that, I hope that all the students are understand the meaning, concept and nature of the crime. Thank you so much.